Welcome to the Herbal Laws channel here on YouTube. Yeah man, on the Herbal Laws channel here, we grow fruits and vegetables. But most of all, we grow herbs with tea. Yeah man. And in today's episode, yeah man, we are showing you how you can create your own compost. Yeah man. I have my little compost bed and I'm showing you how you can create your own compost. Yeah man, let's go. So over here I have my little compost bed. Yeah, in this area here, yeah man, everything from the kitchen. Yeah, everything from the kitchen. Everything from the kitchen. Yeah. I'll get out some of the heavy stuff. So right here we have a little ecosystem. Yeah, the peeling skins, the green vegetables, everything break down right here. What do you need to do this? You need the 5 elements. Yeah? Earth, air, water, fire. You need all the elements. Then you need green stuff. You need brown stuff. Yeah? And all of that can come from your kitchen. So from your peeling skins, yeah, you can even use the brown paper bag, the leaves. Yeah. So you need carbon. Yeah, you need nitrogen. Yeah, you need air, you need water. And you need the sunlight. And once you have all of that, then you're good to go. So things like these plastic, you get them out of it. Yeah. So after you turn it up like that, you're going to wet it so that it can break down properly. Turning waste, yeah, into compost. It's actually not really waste, because this right here is some callaloo that, it outgrown, it get tough and stuff. So instead of throwing it away, you're throwing it in a pile. You create a compost pile in your backyard garden. So most people, yeah, by not knowing, yeah, what you don't know, yeah, it's waste knowledge. But when you know it, yeah, it's good knowledge for you. So even when you sweep up the fruit tree leaves in your backyard or around your backyard, yeah, it can be a part of the compost. Yeah, so you just throw them in it. Yeah? This, as I said, some callaloo. You don't throw it away. You just throw it there. All of that in one space, Yeah, man, it's actually gold. Yeah. So today I'm showing you how to turn all of these gold into gold. Yeah, to grow your vegetables. Yeah, or grow your plants around the space. Yeah, man, it's actually gold. Soil. Yeah, and planting begin right at the soil. Yeah, man. So this is the big question. What is compost? Compost is broken down matters or broken down material. Yeah, man. Yeah. Compost is not dirt. It's not dirt. Broken down matters that feeds the soil naturally. Compost is not dirt. It's a living energy. It's our nature recycling wasting. So the things to use, we say nitrogen, wet, green, brown, paper bags. This is actually, yeah, a cup holder from holding some juices. Yeah, so all of these things can break down and you put these things back in the pile. So the tissue, the thing where the tissue roll come on, all of these things, those brown paper bags. Yeah, man, throw them back in the compost bed. What are the things you know for use? Yeah, meat and them thing there. No, they will break down, but them thing they harbor rat and roach and all those things. Yeah, man, so you just want to keep it naturally. Yeah, things that can break down naturally. Yeah, organic matters that can break down into compost. And remember we say compost is not dirt. So what are some of the green things from the scraps is? Yeah, your green vegetables, you cut up your callaloo, what left over. Yeah, scraps is from the kitchen. Yeah, all the things where you're using at the kitchen, the peeling skin, the banana skin, the plantain skin, all of those things can be used. Yeah, back to the soil. Your grass cuttings, the dry leaves from the fruit trees, all of them things that can be used too. Yeah, the brown things, as what we said, the dry leaf, the cardboard, the papers, all of those things can use. Balance everything. So if you have too much green something in it, it'll go smell bad. So you need the brown for balance the green which is wet. Yeah. Too much brown, it take longer for break down. Yeah. So it need nitrogen, carbon, it need water. Yeah, sunlight, everything for it to break down. So no meat, no oily food in it. Certain things don't belong there. It attract pests as well, disturb the balance. Also have to choose a spot with some shade. Yeah, somewhere where when rain fall, it not stay. It's not a saggy area. It's a well-drained area. Yeah, man. So that it not harbor mosquito and all them something, pests and all them thing there. Yeah. So a well-drained area. Yeah, man. So layer it like a sandwich. Yeah? So you may start with the brown, the green. Yeah, man. You layer it like a sandwich so that it can break down. And then you add water in it. Think of it as life, layer by layer. So as what you see me doing a while ago, yeah, every 1 to 2 weeks you turn it. Yeah, man, you turn it. Yeah, man, you turn it. Yeah, you turn it. You turn it. Yeah, that's every 1 to 2 weeks. Keep it moist, not soaking it. Let air flow through it. The compost need to breathe just like we do. So when it's ready, yeah man, it may be dark, crumble, yeah. When it's ready, it will have that earthy smell. When it smells like the forest floor, the forest, yeah man, it's ready. Yeah man, in nature, nothing is wasted. What we throw away today can use to feed tomorrow. Yeah man, don't throw it away. So when you pick off even the brown leaves, yeah man, practice to throw them back in the bed. Yeah. So anything you're gonna throw away, just ask yourself the question. Can this turn into soil? Yeah man. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Thanks for viewing. Thanks for always coming back to watch the Herbal Laws videos.